Welcome everybody. We're out here on 37th Street in Mexico Beach, and we're in, actually, we got a twin unit going on. These are townhomes where you actually own from the concrete pad all the way through the roof. And we're on Pier Road. So if you don't know what Pier Road is, this is your beach access. When we get up top, just wait to the end and I'll show you the amazing views. It's huge, it's wide, they're beautiful, and you are steps to that beach access. Come here and let me show you some of the outdoor living space. Like I said, these actually mirror one another. The same builder built both. You've got a daughter and a mom and a dad that own, and they actually own another house a few streets away. So they are selling these, but these are great investment potentials because you can rent them, use them. You can have both of your families together if you think two might make sense. It's rare to get them both close together with this new construction. These were built like 3 years ago. And you know, you've got your hardy board cement siding. I love it that you've got all of this. I can't open this door, but you've got storage all up underneath this stairwell, so it's pretty big. You've got an outdoor hangout area. We've got a, not the green egg, but the red egg out here. And look at this outdoor bathroom. This is great. It's got a hot and cold shower here. You've got an extra toilet for the bath, so this is super great. If you don't, this is priceless at the beach. This keeps the sand out of your house. And back here, I'll show you when we get upstairs, but you've got an area back here. You actually own a little yard, so you own your property here. So you guys can have some grass back there, and if you've got a little dog or something like that, you've got an area that you could fence in and have, or you've got an extra fire pit area. Wait till we get upstairs and you'll be able to see it better. Let's go in and have a look. We have 2 levels of viewing decks, and we have 2 levels of viewing decks on the front of the house and on the back of the house. So we're heading upstairs. We've got LVP throughout the entire house, so easy sand care, great for pets and all of that, and lots of traffic. So look how cute this is. It is just so fun. It's bright, it's vibrant, everything is brand new. The cabinets are custom. They come from a custom cabinet maker that they brought them in from Alabama. Look at this. They've got a nice subway tile backsplash. You've got all of your appliances. They're all, I mean, like everything is like new. And if you look here, we've got a little special treat back here in the laundry room. So you've got laundry, you've got cabinets, and you've got a little half bath tucked in here. So you kind of have it all. It's a nice big space. And I love the fresh yellow on the doors. That really pops. Now we're heading to the first level bedroom, which we've got a king size bed in here, plenty of room. And you've got an ensuite bath right here to the left. So that's got a tub shower combination in that bathroom there, and then you've got a reach-in closet here. And then back here is your first level deck in the back. You got room out here to hang out. And if you look right here, let me show you right here. Right now you have a view of the water back here, but someone could build there someday, so that could go away, but right now you've got a view of the water. But look, you got a nice little area right here. Bigger than you think, and you can kind of see it from up here. You can see where the survey markers are, so you could have a fenced-in little area or a fire pit area. You've got your air compressor out here on this deck. All right, let's go head up and look at the other guest rooms. I always love having a bedroom on the main floor because, you know, not everybody wants to do the stairs, and they don't have to. You can literally just come and live on this floor. Well, I think we better check the view in the front before we head out. Look at this. This is the first level viewing. And of course, we got another level to go up, but look at the view. Absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna be able to see the sunsets from that one. So you got stairs right here on the left. And if you wait to the end, I'll show you that, you know, should you be interested in 2 and you want to connect the 2 units, I'll show you a couple of areas where you might be able to do that should you have family that wants to buy one. So let's head towards the back. These are storage closets. So she keeps these as locked storage closet areas. So you've got 2 of them here. And this bedroom is large. It's got a nice vaulted ceiling in it, a bunk room. But I mean, you've got room to put another bed. You could put a king size bed in here, you know, whatever you need, a small office. And then it's got an ensuite bath. You got a tub shower combination here, but it's generous. It's got a lot of room to it. Your panel box is right back here behind this door. You've got a reach-in closet here. But like I said, this room is huge. Let's go out the back and let me show you just, you know, the other little patio that's back here. It's nice. You know, sometimes you just want to get tucked away and read a book and you don't want your family to bother you, and you can do this here. And then you can just see from up here what it looks like down there. And then let's go look at the front bedroom, which basically is identical to this bedroom in size, and it's got its own ensuite bath. I love that they built these where everybody in the family gets their own bathroom. I think families love that. Again, nice, spacious, plenty of room. See, it's really the same thing. And that one in the back is probably just a little bit bigger than this one, but still you could put a king up here if you want. But look at these views out here. I absolutely love this. You're going to be able to see people catching their fish off of the pier from here. I love that. You can golf cart all over Mexico Beach. There's lots of new restaurants popping up. They're building a grocery store. I mean, it's really evolving. So if you haven't been here in a while, you might want to come check out what we got going on. But this is a great opportunity to be this close to the beach. You've got the option, again, of having the one next door. There's a couple spots, either the decks in the back could connect, or there's a spot right by the kitchen bar there that you could connect to the other unit if you wanted to open it up so you could use both sides. And if you're looking for a lift and you don't want to do any stairs at all, there's a spot in the back where you could add a lift to it. So there's options here. So if you want to hear all about it, comment Live the Beach Life below. Share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.